Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP into your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your XRP securely is more important than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the world of digital assets, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, head to the Coinbase app or website, download it, and create a new wallet. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already. Coinbase prioritizes security, especially in 2025 with enhanced regulations. Next, gather your XRP from wherever it's currently stored. This could be another exchange like Binance or a hardware wallet. Open that source wallet and locate your XRP balance. Now, here's the key step. Generate your Coinbase wallet address. In the Coinbase app, go to the Receive section for XRP. It should display a unique QR code and a long string of characters. That's your wallet address. Double-check that it's specifically for XRP to avoid any mix-ups. With your address ready, initiate the transfer from your source wallet. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, paste in the Coinbase wallet address, and add a memo or tag if required. XRP transactions often need this to go through correctly. Before you hit send, review everything carefully. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. After confirming the transaction, wait for it to process. In 2025, blockchain speeds have improved, but it might still take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh the screen. Voila! Your XRP should now be sitting pretty in your wallet. Remember, always keep an eye on fees. Transfer costs can vary, so choose the right network if options are available. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your XRP into Coinbase wallet. If you run into any issues, Coinbase's support is top-notch these days. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.